Hello, future CAs. This one is for you if you're writing your CA exams in May 2025. We have just 90 days left, and if you have the following questions running in your mind, is 3 months enough? I have already started, sir, but flow is not there. I am not able to be consistent, or I am yet to start, or just started and I have some fear. Don't worry, you have clicked on the right video. I am going to share with you three inspirational stories of real life of what people have achieved in 90 days to tell you what is possible. Story number one. These are not stories actually, these are facts, guys. Elon Musk saved Tesla. I'm sure you all know in 2008 when there was a global financial crisis, Tesla was also suffering. In 2008, how Elon Musk saved Tesla when they nearly went bankrupt. That man worked for 20 hours a day, again raised funds and saved the company. All this happened in 90 days. Go check on Google, ChatGPT, wherever you want, you will know. Second story, sir, always Elon Musk only, sir. Give us a second story from sports, but not from cricket, guys. I'm sure all of you know Novak Djokovic, tennis player. Back in 2011, when I tell 2011, you all remember India winning the World Cup, Dhoni hitting the six. But in 2011, Djokovic was in rank 22 in tennis, and within 90 days, he became rank 1. He defeated Federer and Nadal in the same year and he won 3 Grand Slams, guys. He didn't do much. In 90 days, he just changed his diet. He said no gluten in food. That means no maida in food. And it became a complete transformation in his fitness. Nothing much in game. So, one learning from Djokovic is that small changes in strategy like no maida can lead to big results. Two stories, but the third one is the biggest of these all, guys. Let's go way back to 1994. 1994, Jeff Bezos left the high paying job in Wall Street. He was getting very well paid. He left the job. He built a business plan as to what to do. He did all the coding and he launched Amazon, all within just 90 days of quitting. When we quit a job, we will take 1 month break. Jeff Bezos quit with a plan, and in 90 days he launched Amazon. I'm sure all of you saw this photo many times where Jeff Bezos will be sitting in one garage, one black and white photo where he'll be coding. He was there only for 90 days and he launched Amazon. So I want to tell you all, guys, that we have 90 days left. Today we are in Feb 2nd, then we have March and we have April. Effectively 90 days or 3 months left for exams. And I'm going to tell you all one simple quote. Success doesn't require a perfect start. Sir, Feb 1st I planned of studying, sir. I didn't study. I planned of studying on Jan 26th. I didn't do it. It's okay. All you need is the right mindset and dedication for the next 90 days. That's it. Next 90 days you can do wonders, guys. People who are successful are only those who are consistent. So let's fly, guys. Sir, wait, sir. What, sir, you are saying let's fly? Then you are sharing stories of 3 people who have achieved great things in 90 days. Okay, sir. What can we do, sir, in 90 days? Let me rephrase this as, what can you do in 90 days if you have the mindset to clear at least one group or even both the groups in the upcoming May exams? Then keep watching this video. We have the triple S for you. What is this triple S? Nothing but simple smart schedule, where we have broken down the entire syllabus into 4 parts, subject wise and group wise. For example, accounts part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. and I said, let's fly. We will fly in exactly 90 days. If you can follow this schedule properly, in the first 60 days, you can finish watching the classes, and in the next 30 days, you can revise. If you have more than 90 days, you have extra time to watch the class and revise. But considering we have only 90 days, 60 days to finish the syllabus and 30 days to revise. More about the Triple S, we have separate video explaining how the schedule works, integrated along with test series. You can watch that video to understand. But in simple, what you can do in 90 days, if you are yet to start or you have already started, if you need the push, you can sign up for Dira test, Bridge test. Already 175 plus students have joined in, guys. Or at the CA classroom, I just spoke about the magic of Triple S. Look at that video, understand the schedule, and then accordingly, based on Triple S, you can take Fusion subscription for your exams or individual subjects or combos, whichever class is relevant for you, at the most affordable prices, guys. In the description of this video, I will be attaching links for videos explaining Triple S, Fusion subscription, individual subject combos and bridge test. Check them out and then decide what is right for you. I will end by saying, guys, go give your best ever for these 90 days. All the best, guys.